This is the SUNAVO 1500 watt electric hot plate burner. Let's take it out of the box. So here it is out of the box. You can see it's in stainless steel. Included with it, of course, is a warranty card. They give you a microfiber cleaning cloth, which is a nice touch. And the instructions here in many different languages. This happens to be the English, and it's written in just plain English. Nicely styled, very simple, not much going on here. It's your typical electric hot plate kind of thing. They give you a heavy-duty cord. It's a grounded plug, so you don't have to worry about any kind of electrical shocks or anything like that. This is sort of like a cast iron type hob, as they call it there, and that holds the heat really, really, really well. It's much better than the ones of these you may have seen, which are just like an electric burner coil that you would see on a stove. And what's also nice about this is not an induction cooktop. Induction cooktops require special pots and pans in order for them to work. This here works with anything you've already got. Plain old manual control. You can go off all the way to high. Everything is marked. And there's an indicator light which lights up with a neon bulb. And it also has overheat protection, just in case something were to go awry. It will shut itself down to protect everything. Okay, I have a tea kettle on here with some water in it, and let's go ahead and turn this on and see how long it takes to boil. So there we are. It took about 15 minutes or so, and that pretty much is par for the course this time of year. It's still winter here, and the water out of the tap is about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so it does take quite some time for it to bring, quite an amount of water up to boiling. So once again, this was the SUNAVO 1500 watt electric hot plate burner in stainless steel. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.